Welcome to Lichtsinn RV, where we're only 1 mile north of the Winnebago Factory, based right here in Forest City, Iowa. The next generation fuel-efficient Winnebago Travato has been restyled and re-engineered based on voice of customer feedback of the van life and social media communities. The next generation fuel-efficient Travato will be built atop the all-new 2021 safety-enhanced Ram ProMaster chassis, including crosswind assist to provide counter steering automatically to maintain a straight path in high wind conditions, blind spot monitoring with cross path detection. The digital rear view mirror features an LCD monitor that can be turned off to revert to a reflective mirror, but when switched on offers a real-time video stream. The Winnebago Travato is built atop the new Ram ProMaster chassis, will also feature enhanced creature comforts, telescoping steering, and improved connectivity and functionality with the new Pioneer 7-inch multimedia video receiver, which includes the addition of Sirius XM satellite radio with receiver and antenna. It includes a large 7-inch touchscreen display that is easier to see, read, and operate. The rear view camera provides wider and clearer view and can be left on to allow continuous rear view. Enhanced smartphone connectivity includes the capability with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and WebLink. It allows users to utilize smartphone navigation, hands-free calling, and audio streaming with built-in Bluetooth for exceptional clarity and a secondary microphone for improved voice control with additional functionality. A refined user interface provides for a simple and smooth user experience. Selectable display shows additional engine data such as coolant temperature as well as tire pressure monitoring with actual tire pressure, not just a simple indicator light. Steering wheel functionality includes volume control, mute, station change, and scan function for the radio and more. For those truly going off-grid, the Pure 3 lithium-equipped 59GL and 59KL will now have the option to include the fourth battery cell module from Volta Power Systems, increasing usable watt-hours of energy from 9,500 to 12,800 watt-hours. For the 59G and 59K non-lithium models, the all-new ultra-low quiet Cummins-owned and 2800i generator complies with national park regulations, which is 60 decibels of noise at 50 feet. The new ultra-low quiet Cummins-owned and 28i provides 65 decibels at only 10 feet. This accomplishment is made by running at 2,445 RPM versus 3,600 in prior models. It is more fuel efficient at nearly 40% as it uses only 0.21 gallons at half load versus 0.34, so about 5 hours of continual run operation with 1 gallon of fuel. It is lighter with the same footprint and only slightly taller, 12% lighter at 110 pounds compared to 125 pounds. Restyling for the inside provides for 3 all-new cabinetry collections. The blue soft goods collection can now be paired with walnut Techniform Italian cabinetry, walnut Techniform cabinetry with matte white upper cabinets, or an all-new weathered teak Techniform cabinetry collection. This investment made with Techniform Italian yacht cabinetry provides for cabinets that resist humidity in our RVing climates and are lightweight to free up cargo carrying capacity. Also, all new contemporary flooring is laid atop the Plasticor insulated flooring and includes an option for a removable, easy to clean, removable full coach mat. Both floor plans also include the all-new WindSleep mattress, which is firm yet includes a more plush topper, and to the rear feature insulated, easier to use rear cargo door shades similar to that which is used in the Winnebago Touring Coach Solus. A wireless soundbar takes advantage of Bluetooth connectivity to personalize your audio experience inside the van. The 59G and 59GL floor plans have been redesigned in the next generation Travato. The front side-facing bench has been removed and the freshwater tank and inverter relocated to provide easier entry and exit with a Lagoon table mount that can be used for the passenger seat when swiveled as a lounge chair. The forward-facing bench has now been replaced with dual 3-point safety belted automotive-styled seats. The TV has been relocated to the rear wall to allow for viewing from the cab seats when swiveled. The dinette has been replaced with a movable lagoon table. And finally, the rear full bed has been replaced with a Murphy-style bed with a European slat bed and widened at the rearward position with a new tapered bath and one that provides more livability for the aft positions of the Murphy bed. The 59K and 59KL now include a lagoon table that can be used when the passenger seat is swiveled. The twin bed flex bed conversion kit now simply pulls out from the driver's side twin bed to provide quick conversion from twin beds to an oversized single flex bed. The EcoHot Hot Loop Purge now will save fresh water by recirculating water to the hot side of the faucet prior to usage and emptying back into the same freshwater tank. Winnebago has truly listened to voice of customer feedback over the past 7 years of Travato van life, and the new 2022 Winnebago Travato, restyled and re-engineered, is now better than ever. All of these new factory fresh RVs are available here at Lichtsinn RV, America's closest dealer to Winnebago Industries. We're located only 1 mile north of the Winnebago Factory, based right here in Forest City, Iowa, and recently named by the manufacturer Winnebago Industries as the North American top dealer for sales volume across all of the motorized coach divisions of Winnebago Industries, based right here in Forest City, Iowa, but reaching out across all of North America for that top sales volume award now for the past 6 consecutive years. Available here at Lichtsinn RV.